Hello, this video is a measurement of the through thickness permeability thanks to EasyPerm, the 3D permeability bench. In the first step, we have to open the mold and position the sample to be tested. So we are working with a sample that is in fact a disc of 200 mm diameter. We will be able to use a sample which thickness can go up to 15 mm. And as you can see on the video, we will position the sample at the center of the tool, which in fact we have two distributors of resin on both sides that allow a perfect spread of the resin before going through the reinforcement. After positioning the sample, we have to close the tool, so this will be done by tightening the bolts and then using the inflatable balloon that is under the table that will act as a press in order to perfectly close the mold that is calibrated without deformation. In order to measure the delta P, we will measure the pressure before and after the sample, and this will give us the delta P used to evaluate the permeability. Going back to the thickness, we have some device that will allow to perfectly calibrate the thickness using mechanical wedges and in order to respect the fiber content that is already determined when starting the test. Go to the software setup. So in this step we will have to mark the backup file and also enter the position where we want to save all the data. After doing this, we will have to zero all the sensors. As you can see on the mold information, we are using and measuring the delta P before and after the sample as already said. On the bench information, we have access to the remaining amount of oil. We are using calibrated oil, and we will have access also to the real thickness cavity. At this step, we are ready for the measurement. So we have to inject the oil in the mold. So we open the inlet, the oil will going through the reinforcement from the bottom to the top as a pure transverse flow. As you can see on the graph, we will recover the pressure increase. So this is the pressure that we have as the inlet before going through the reinforcement, and we will have a leveling of this pressure at the injection pressure. We will wait a bit, and after that we will stop the injection. Then we will use the software to measure permeability. So first we have to enter the fluid density that is well done, that corresponds to the fluid that we are using. Can be silicone oil, can be soybean oil or any other fluid. The important is to know the viscosity and the density. So we'll enter those parameters that are missing in the Darcy's law to evaluate the permeability. We'll enter the sample thickness, sample diameter, and the fiber content, of course. After that, we will ask the software to evaluate the flow, the real flow that we have during the test. So by selecting two different times, the software using the scale that is already included in the bench will calculate this flow, and this flow value will be used to calculate the permeability. So the final step is to select the measurement time. So basically at the end of the test, when we have the pressure that is leveled and also the pressure, and we will end up with the transverse permeability value Kz. At the end, we can open the mold and recover the sample that is completely wet with the oil. Then the measurement is done and we can proceed to the next measurement. So thank you for watching this video.